This is a video about replacing the clutch cable on a Yamaha V Star 650 from 1997. So, motorcycle. So, there's one on. Easy as can be. And you can tighten that stuff back down. I took this off the old cable disintegrated inside the sheathing here. So I'd maybe spray some WD-40 in there or don't, just to help it stay lubricated. There's a good weather seal. All right, I'm just gonna back the nut off. Put this all the way back to get as much slack as you can. Come over to this guy, and you're gonna bend this tab down right here. And you're gonna throw that in there. And then you're gonna bend that guy back up. There we go. And then I like to pull this about where it's taut. And then I'm gonna lock this here with these nuts. There you have it. Now, good as new. Let's see if it worked.